Let's take a look at a real-world example that involves comparing decimals. Pollux and Fomalhaut are two of the top 25 brightest stars as seen from Earth. The apparent magnitude of Pollux is 1 and 14/100ths, whereas the apparent magnitude of Fomalhaut is 1 and 16/100ths. Which star has the smaller magnitude? Well, we have two decimals that we need to compare to determine which one is the smaller. 1 and 14/100ths, 1 and 16/100ths. Well, notice the ones place the same digit. So then we go to the tenths place. The tenths place, we have the same digit. So now we have to move to the hundredths place, tenths and hundredths place. Notice we have a 4 and then we have a 6. Which is smaller? Since 4 is less than 6, then 1 and 14/100ths is less than 1 and 16/100ths. Therefore, the star with the smaller magnitude is Pollux. The next question, it says, which star appears brighter? Well, according to the rule, the one with the smaller magnitude appears brighter. So it would be the same. This Pollux would be the one that appears brighter.